Greetings everyone, this is Annie M. Kidwai. You're watching Vertex, the solution of every need. I hope you all are doing wonderfully well, taking great care of yourselves. To know more about me, please check out vertexthesolution.com and you will find all the details about me there. I'm going to talk about psychology of religion. मैं आज आपसे साइकोलॉजी ऑफ रिलीजन के बारे में ब्रीफ में रिकॉर्ड करना चाहती हूँ और कम्युनिकेट करना चाहती हूँ थ्रू माय चैनल कि रिलीजन क्या है और इसके ऊपर बहुत सारी डिबेट्स हैं. देयर इज़ वन थिंग कॉल्ड एज वर्ल्ड रिलीजन, जहाँ पे हम तमाम जितने रिलीजन्स हैं उनको हम पढ़ते हैं, उनको रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं. रिसेंटली कुछ डिबेट्स भी हुई थी थीज़म और एथीज़म के ऊपर. देखिए, रिलीजन जो है, जो मेरा पर्सनल ओपिनियन है रिलीजन के ऊपर, व्हाट आई बिलीव अबाउट रिलीजन इज़ कि रिलीजन वो प्रैक्टिस है जो इंसान को डिसिप्लिन सिखाती है, इंसान के अंदर मॉरल एजुकेशन लेके आती है, वैल्यू एजुकेशन लेके आती है. अगर आप कोई भी रिलीजन देखें, एनी रिलीजन, अगर आप really educated हैं, पढ़े लिखे हैं, so you know that there is no religion which tells to discriminate. There is no religion which tells you to disrespect. There is no religion which tells you to have bias about genders. There is no religion that tells you there are restrictions on men and women. People weaponize religions to justify their own opinions as facts. Okay? तो religious practices जो हैं, अगर वो control के तहत practice की जाती हैं, that you want to put control on people, okay, through that practice, so you can control their belief system, so that you can control their emotion, then it's not a religion. Religion gives you independence to believe in God. Religion gives you independence to practice and live your life with spirituality. Religion gives you the independence and freedom to make rightful decisions through spiritual, religious education. And religion tells you to be at peace yourself. If your education lacks peace, if the religious education lacks peace, that's not, a religion. That's not spirituality. That's not something which you can understand as, a moral ground, a moral accountability to understand the education around religion. रिलीजियस बिलीफ सिस्टम की कोई साइंटिफिक बैकिंग नहीं है, ओके. इसीलिए अगर हम किसी भी रिलीजियस प्रैक्टिस को ब्लाइंडली बिलीव करेंगे और एक्सट्रीमिज़म की तरफ जाएंगे, फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल ब्लैक मैजिक, कि हम ब्लैक मैजिक करके किसी को कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं, दैट इज़ डिस्टॉर्टेड बिलीफ सिस्टम. तो कोई भी प्रैक्टिस अगर वो डिस्टॉर्टेड है तो वो एक आई वुड से नेगेटिव प्रैक्टिस है, जिसमें लैक ऑफ एजुकेशन, लैक ऑफ सेल्फ अवेयरनेस है. इसमें रिलीजन की कमी नहीं है, ये इंसानों की अपनी पर्सनालिटी है कि वो किसी भी चीज़ को, किसी भी सिचुएशन को, किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट को, किसी भी थॉट को वेपनाइज कर सकते हैं to create a narrative and control the environment around them or gather attention. Okay? So that's not about a particular religion, but that's about the individual. So now what happens when you lack awareness and when you lack education and when you do not understand the psychology of the people around you and their personality, then the conflicts will certainly be there and the conflicts will never be resolved. Conflicts can only be resolved when you understand the intentions of the people around you, when you understand the psychology, what kind of a person they are, right? and then you follow them. So nowadays, what is happening specifically on social media, we follow anything, okay? Whether that is suitable for us, whether it's not suitable for us, whether it's healthy for us, whether it's not healthy for us, it's a trend. So people are following that trend. इसी तरह से religious practices भी एक trend बन गई हैं, okay? Rather than understanding the crux of it, कि क्यों हमें कोई चीज़ को फॉलो करना चाहिए, उसका उसका पीछे जो फाउंडेशन है वो फाउंडेशन क्या है, ओके? अगर आपकी कोई भी प्रैक्टिस इज़ नॉट ब्रिंगिंग यू पीस ऑफ माइंड, is not bringing self awareness, is not developing a character towards goodness, what kind of a religion is that? So I'm not questioning here, but I'm telling you what is the psychology behind religion and how religion must be understood. Secondly, people who do not believe in the existence of God, that's completely fine, right? So we do not have to prove it to anybody that God exists, and we do not have to prove it to any person that God do not exist. That's a belief system. If somebody's belief system giving them peace of mind, okay, then it's fine. It's just a belief system. I have a belief system that I will be successful in my life. That's a belief system. I can achieve my goals. That's a belief system, right? And it gives me positive energy. Therefore, in the similar way, it's a belief system. मगर अगर कोई भी चीज़ आपको नेगेटिविटी की तरफ ले जाती है, वो कोई बिलीफ सिस्टम नहीं है, वो एक डिस्टॉर्टेड अंडरस्टैंडिंग है, लैक ऑफ सेल्फ अवेयरनेस है और लैक ऑफ एजुकेशन है. I hope I brought some insights and clarity about psychology of religions in short and brief in this video. And let me know what you think in the comment section below. Thank you and have a great day.